In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create skewed text in Figma. Skewing, also called shearing, is a great way to give your typography a dynamic, italicized, or perspective-leaning look without redrawing anything. Because Figma's core tools don't include a native skew transform, we will use a plugin to make this quick and precise. Start by opening your design so you can see the text you want to work with. This can be any existing frame or layout. The key is that your text layer is already in place and easy to select. Once your file is open, select the text layer you want to skew. You can choose a headline, a button label, or any typographic element that could benefit from a little motion and attitude. Keeping the text layer selected ensures the plugin knows exactly what to modify. To create skewed text in Figma, use a plugin like Skew to Figma. You'll find it in the Plugins menu inside Figma. Open the plugin from the Plugins menu while your text layer is selected. This connects the plugin's controls to that specific layer, so your adjustments will appear right away where you can see them. With the plugin open, you can apply horizontal or vertical shears directly to text layers. Horizontal shear leans your characters left or right, which often mimics an italic effect and adds forward momentum to headings. Vertical shear tilts the text upward or downward, which can suggest depth or a subtle perspective. These directions aren't just stylistic. They influence how the viewer's eye travels across your layout, so choose the axis that best supports your design. Message. One of the advantages of using this plugin is real-time adjustment. As you refine the look, the preview area updates instantly, so you can see the exact effect of every change as it happens. Adjust the sliders in the preview area to set the desired horizontal or vertical angle. Small angles tend to look clean and professional, while larger angles can feel expressive and edgy. Watch the spacing and legibility as you go. Even a few degrees can dramatically change how a word reads and how it aligns with nearby elements. When you are happy with the result, the skew is applied directly to the text layer you selected, keeping your workflow focused and efficient. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.